Hi, I'm Destiney Rainney, and I am from Cohort 5. My RTR experience was one that was very transformative. It was very profound. I have so many memories. It was the launching pad for my career in education. It set me up with the right supports and the right placement, and I am just forever thankful for my RTR experience. It's where everything started for me. I really never thought that I would be in the classroom until I discovered RTR. The one-year residency was everything that I needed to confirm that I should be a teacher in the classroom. And to this day, I'm really grateful for the experience, for the network of people, for the support. I keep coming back to RTR because it just was everything that I needed. My most memorable professor would have to be Maria Beck. And it's because there was something that she said that really stuck with me. It was our classroom management and behavior supports class. And she said that problem behavior equals skill deficit. And that stuck with me because whenever I looked at my students who were having trouble, I remembered that. What if we just took the time to actually teach them the skills that they needed to be successful and to thrive far beyond the classroom? And so that would have to be the most impactful professor.